How's your class? Area model multiplying fractions. Can you multiply fractions?
Yes.
Number 2, factor. A factor must be what or what compared to the given number?
Smaller or equal to the given number.
It also must go what or how into the given number? Nicely, easily, evenly, all those things, yes? And then factors help us to do what to fractions? Helps us to do what to fractions? Say again? Say again? I'm going to make this video long and let's start answering my questions here together. All right, here we go. We're going to do this one right here. 3/4 times 2/3. Here is the area model. We're going to multiply those two fractions together that I just circled. Step 1 is, should our candy bar always kind of look like this? Yep, we're going to always do the same candy bar, yes? Step 2 then is we are going to label the candy bar with our fractions. Where does 3/4 go? Top, right? First fraction goes on top. Second fraction goes on the side. Now I need to split my candy bar into fourths, yes? So I would go like this and like this and like this. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces, yes? I need to split my candy bar into what with this fraction? Say again? Guys, I need everybody here. I need to split my, no, not 2/3. I need to split my candy bar into what? Thirds. So I'm going to go across, and I'm going to show 1, 2, and 3, yes? Okay. Now I have how many total pieces? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the product of my denominators? 12. So that matches, yes? Now, in order to show 3/4, I can go like this, but it's going to be really hard for me to see the other fraction going across, right? So what am I going to use to show 3/4? A t. So t represents my top fraction. Ooh, does that look like 3/4 of the candy bar filled in? Yes or no?
Yes.
I don't see everyone's eyes up here. But you guys, this video is not going to ever end here. I need to show 2/3. What am I going to use to show 2/3? S, 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 S. That's 1/3, right? This now has 2/3 filled in, yeah?
Yes.
How many of these have a T and an S in them?
6.
So my numerator is then going to be that 6, right?
Yes.
And then my denominator is going to be the total number of pieces, which we already said was 12.
Yes.
Simplify, we're good to go.
Yes.
Now, if we weren't using the area model, we could simply multiply our fractions, or we could simplify and then multiply our fractions, right?
Yes.
2 fractions. We got 6/8 times 7/14. 6/8 times 7/14, yes?
Yes.
Multiply straight across, we get 42 over 112. Reduce, we get 21 over 56. Reduce, we get 3 over 8, yeah?
Yes.
Or we could reduce 6/8 to what? Because 6/8 is a common factor of, does 7/14 reduce?
Yes.
It has a common factor of what?
7.
What do you like better, multiplying these two numbers or multiplying those two numbers? The top one or the bottom one?
Bottom.
So if we simplify first and then multiply, is it going to make our problem a little bit easier?
Yes.
We good?